And we straight away cut across to breaking news coming in. While speaking at a rally in Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala, Rahul Gandhi made a shocking remark saying that he likes the people of South India better than the North. To this remark, Union Minister Kiren Rijiju has hit out at the Congress MP saying that it is the people of Amethi from North India who elected and gave him several chances in his political career. This is the tweet that has been put out by Union Minister Kiren Rijiju as he's hit out at Rahul Gandhi, who made a shocking remark saying that he likes the people of South India better than the North. He said that while he was at a rally in Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Now to this, JP Nadda has also tweeted that reads, and I quote, a few days back he was in the northeast spewing venom against the western part of India. Today he is in the south. He is spewing venom against the north. Divide and rule politics will not work, Rahul Gandhi ji. People have rejected this politics. See what happened in Gujarat today. So it is an all-out attack from the BJP on Rahul Gandhi, who said that he likes the people of South India better than the north. Listen in to what he said.
Been my experience now, since I've been an MP, I have also got to understand a little bit about the wisdom of the people of Kerala. For the first 15 years, I was a member of parliament in the north. So I had got used to a different type of politics. And for me, coming to Kerala was very refreshing, because suddenly I found that people are interested in issues.
Anuj, my colleague, joining us on the broadcast. Anuj, he's landed himself in trouble yet again by a remark he's made, and controversial, at the same time offending a lot of people, and the BJP was bound to hit back.
Well, exactly. This is not the first time when we are seeing Rahul Gandhi coming out with these kind of lines. But something is very much clear, and this is the larger story to understand, that if you talk about the oldest party, then it limits to our 2019 polls, general election. And that exactly is something which is making it very much clear that this is only politics, which has to be done by the Congress party, which is being done by the Congress party.
Anuj, I'm sorry I'm having to interrupt you here, but BJP MP Rakesh Sinha is now joining us on the phone line. Rakesh ji, your reaction to what Rahul Gandhi has said? He said that he prefers the people of South India over North. Of course, the BJP has hit out. What do you have to say?
He's trying to create a hierarchy among the voters, and he's introducing a caste system in electoral politics and democracy. Democracy is beyond all such narrow division, and we consider all the voters have equal perspective and wisdom. When he is discriminating between the North and South among the people, in this way he is not merely insulting the people of North India, but also trying to communicate the people that some people are superior, some people are inferior. In fact, he is pursuing and perpetuating the same dynastic perspective. In the dynastic worldview, some people are elite, some people are superior, some people are inferior. So hierarchical gap, which he is trying to introduce, is very dangerous for democracy. And I think he should take back his words. If it is a slip of tongue, then he should accept. If he has deliberately said, then he has to apologize to the people of India.
And that exactly is the question. Is it a divisive mindset that Rahul Gandhi comes with, or is it an error that he's made? But being in public life and being a leader, can he afford to make such mistakes? He's obviously offended a lot of people.
That he has done mistake. Just I had given alternative that it might have been he has to say the people, because once you are saying that some people are greater and some people are more wiser, some people are more meticulous and others are not, and that too you are linking with the particular region. This means you are creating a line between North and South, and you are creating a line between the people of one region and people of other region. I think this is a dangerous and detrimental for democracy. And Rahul Gandhi lacks the wisdom to define the democratic polity. In democratic polity, whether it was a Greek democracy or the democracy of Lakshmi, ancient India, or the democracy of Europe or democracy of India, nobody, no social scientist, no political leader till now made a discrimination between two set of voters. Voters can be illiterate, voters can be educated, voters can be rich, voters can be poor. But democracy is a leveling process where every
Right.
voter is considered equal.
And the point
equal
is that he
and-
continues to land himself in trouble again and again by making such comments, which is really for the people to decide that where is it that he's coming from. Does he just make such errors mindlessly, or is it that he has a very specific intent when he makes such statements? We leave it at that. Mr. Rakesh Sinha, thank you for speaking to us.